egg roll in a bowl, coleslaw, Jimmy Dean pork sausage, some soy sauce, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Start With Coffee Adventures. I already had my coffee this morning, and now it's time to make lunch. And it looks like it's going to be enough for lunch and dinner, because I'm going to cook up this whole bag of coleslaw, this whole tube of Jimmy Dean pork sausage. You just put a little bit of soy sauce, salt and pepper, and garlic powder, and guess what you have? It's called egg roll in a bowl. This is a low carb meal, and this is my first time making it. I'll let you know how it tastes in a bit. So I'm going to put the whole tube of sausage in the pan. I'm going to try to squeeze out as much as possible, and I'm going to thoroughly cook that. You do not want undercooked pork. It looks almost completely cooked through. I'm going to make sure that there's no pink at all in the meat. And then I'm going to add my cabbage. Did I happen to tell you that the sausage smells delicious? It already has seasonings in it. Now it's time to add that bag of coleslaw, a whole bag. So make sure your saucepan is big enough to hold it all. It will cook down, so don't worry about it being kind of high right now in the pan. It will cook down as that cabbage starts to saute a little bit. And then I will start to mix it more. So I'm going to put a lid on this and let it cook some more. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes, and you can see the cabbage is cooked down a lot. It still needs a little bit more time, but now I'm going to start adding the soy sauce, salt and pepper, and the garlic powder. I'm going to do a pour of the soy sauce. See if I can get that in there so you can see it. I'm going to measure with love, as they say. It's going to be roughly about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to do some pepper. I always go light with the salt. I think everybody should salt and pepper to taste. And a little bit of garlic powder. As you can see, I'm just kind of shaking it on a little bit. That should also be to taste. So I'm thinking this is going to be done in a few minutes. I want to stir it up to make sure that that flavor of the soy sauce gets throughout the whole pan here, as well as mixing in, the salt and pepper and garlic salt. And this is basically it. Now, if you're a vegetarian, obviously don't put the meat in, or instead of pork, you could do chicken. I would cut the chicken up in really small pieces, maybe put some, flavoring on the chicken, whatever you want to do. Probably just salt and pepper, maybe some garlic on that, garlic salt or garlic powder. But I wanted to follow this recipe because I saw it online and I was like, wow, this sounds delicious. I love egg rolls. My husband and I love egg rolls, but I'm trying to be low carb, so this is perfect because you don't have that egg roll wrapper. This is egg roll in a bowl. Okay, I think I have that pretty mixed up with the soy sauce, maybe a little bit more. Ooh, so yummy. I'm going to put a little bit in a bowl here to taste it. Now I turned the flame off. This is still just kind of cooling down from the heat of the pan. But look at that. Doesn't that look good? Here's my bowl. I'm going to blow in a little bit. I don't want it to be too hot. It's just, I got a little meat, a little cabbage, little carrots. This is so good. I'm thinking maybe I would put a little more soy sauce in it. So maybe a stronger pour, or maybe 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I think it needs a little bit more of that. So I'm going to put a little bit more in and stir that in and give it more flavor. Thank you for watching. Please put any comments down below, and I will catch you next time.